So how do you know the first and last name in your iPad settings of the owner? Let's talk about it. Let's address it. So if you want to stay tuned and know everything about your iPad, just subscribe to this channel because I have so many videos about it and I don't want you to miss them. Okay, so on the iPad, you have two places for the name settings. At first, you can go to the general section in the settings and tap on the about, and there we have the name of the iPad, right? So it's not the name of the owner, but the name of the actual device. This is used for sharing internet connection. This is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi, or, when you use AirDrop, this is the name of the device. But if you tap on your profile within the settings, at the top of the list, you can see your first name and last name there. You can click on the information, like the personal information tab. It might need a second to load up, but when you get inside, you will have the ability to manage your name settings. So there you will have the ability to change the first name, last name, and even middle name of the owner of that device, right? So if you use multiple devices with the same Apple ID, the name will change on all of them because it's the name of the owner. So this is the place that you need to pay attention to. Outside of that, there aren't that many other settings, of course, only within a specific app. So you might then change your name in like the Gmail app or whatever, but this is like a completely separate thing. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.